In this video, we will solve another one problem based on the single line diagram of power system components. Already we solved one problem. We understood, I think so. There is a incoming lines, outgoing lines. In between, there is a conversion, like a transformer where we have to use for stepping up purpose, stepping down purpose. See, they'll make you to confusion. I mean, being question paper setters and all. They'll give 5 alternators. They'll not mention generating stations. If they mention alternator, we have to assume. I mean, you should keep in your mind that is a generating station. Okay. If it is outgoing lines stations are from the 11 kilovolts or from the 66 kilovolts also they'll mention. But you people should remember, lightning arresters must be placed incoming at the incoming as well as outgoing part also. In the transformer also they have to place lightning arrestor, and also we have to use earth switches, and also they have to place a CT, PT, circuit breaker, and isolators and all. Common for any electrical single line diagram problems, that part is common. Okay. And coupling capacitors or bus couplers, CT, PT, placement and all common. See, if suppose I'll tell you once again, generating station. So that generating station itself, we are having a wave trap. After that, we are having lightning arresters and earth switch. So wave trap is for what? To avoiding the disturbance from the other signals, other communication signal, and lightning arrestor arresting the lightnings, or avoiding the damage the electrical power system components. And next we are having circuit breakers. Okay. Below that circuit breaker, we have to keep current transformer for measurement. So circuit breaker, how exactly operate? If suppose current transformer gives measures high current, automatically that relay signal send the signal to the circuit breaker contact will open, right? For that we are having a current transformer below circuit breaker. After that we are having a isolator switches for maintenance purpose, everything. This particular sequence is common for all the diagrams. Keep in your mind. Okay. So let's see one problem. Okay. The first problem, draw the single line diagram of a substation having a following equipment. Lens 2. So I'll just draw one diagram for your reference. Incoming lines 2. Okay. There is a 2 incoming lines, and outgoing lines 1 from 110 kV, 4 from 11 kV. So 110 kV 2 incoming lines, 110 kV this one only, okay, right? This is 110 kV. Is it correct? Yes. And outgoing lines 110 kV, 411 kV. So a transformer 10 MVA 110 kV to 11 kV, and 2 MVA 11 kV to 415 volts. Okay. See here 11 kV is there. Okay. From that 11 kV to again another one bus bar. Okay. See, this is incoming lines of two incoming lines are there, and this is a 110 kV, this is a 11 kV, this is a this one 415 volts. Okay. 415 volts. See, best example I can give you, this one is a BTPS thermal power plant or Raichur power plant. From there to there is a Anekal substation, that is 11 kV. So 110 to, just to assume, okay, 110 to 11 kV, 11 kV, 110 to 11 kV conversion is happening in the Anekal substation. After that, this 415 is there, right? 415 is backside of our college. There is a cement concrete mounted substation or H pole mounted, you can say. So there 415 volts it is converting. So we need to place that position switches, CT, PT, isolator, lightning arrestor, circuit breaker. What is the use of CT? CT which is used to measure high current, PT which is used to measure high voltage, isolator for isolating purpose, a particular electrical power system components or power system line, and lightning arrestor which is arrest the lightning in the rainy seasons and all, even though normal seasons also. Circuit breaker contact will open when fault occurs, when abnormal condition occurs, short circuit condition occurs. That is circuit breaker, right? So let's see the problem solution. Okay. See, I told you, right? There is a two incoming lines. Two incoming lines. See here, 110 kV is here, another 110 kV is here. So two incoming lines, we have to place lightning arresters. So this is a lightning arrestor, okay? Lightning arrestor. We have to keep lightning arrestor in the incoming lines itself. I mean generating station itself. We have to place lightning arrestor. After that isolator. This is isolator. This switch, okay? This switch is isolator, and this box like structure is circuit breaker which break the circuits when fault appears or abnormal condition appears. And next this one is a CT, okay? CT, current transformer, which is used to measure high current in the power transmission lines. And this is a bus bar, okay? Dark line structure is that. Dark line structure is bus bars. Keep it in your mind, that is a bus bar. So which carries the power supply or incoming, outgoing. It's like a majestic. So it's a bus tap, okay? And next we are having there is a CT, PT. So this one is a CT, okay? CT, and this one is a bus coupler for the particular problem. And there is a two transformer. See, this is a step down transformer. See, 110 kilovolts to 11 kilovolts we need to convert, right? So that is step down transformer. Again here is a 450 volt. Another one is another one bus bar, like a pole mounted or outdoor substation. And 4 outgoing lines, 11 kV. From the 11 kV we are having 4 outgoing lines. Just to see the diagram, guys, very easy. And also one outgoing lines from the 110 kV. See, again go to problem. Don't buy out the concept. See, here two incoming lanes already. We have taken two incoming lanes, we have seen, right? And outgoing lanes, one from 110 kV, 4 from 11 kV. So from 110 kV bus bar to one outgoing lanes, one from 11 kilovolts. So 4 outgoing lanes from 11 kilovolts bus bar. And transformer to 10 MVA, 110 bar 11 kV delta to star, and one 2 MVA 11 kV bar 415 volts star to star, and bus bar 110 kV and duplicate bus bar 11 kV single bus bar. Show the position of CTs and PTs. So already we have discussed, right? This is the diagram. Best understanding the diagram for you guys. So I think you understood concept of single line diagram, right? So if you are having any doubts, you can feel free to call or WhatsApp any doubts. Okay, thank you so much.